Alright, y'all, here at Rudys. A little late. Woke up late, but here nonetheless. I think they're still doing a drag strip. Haven't think they've done the pools or the dirt drags yet. So sheesh, this is a nice ass dually. I would have went with Black American Forces, but that's just me though. That's just me. It's still a amazing, great truck. I love the freaking bumper too. Can't tell which company that bumper's from, but definitely a freaking nice. Definitely can't wait to put some spacers on the rear of my dually.
I got on me right now. Strong point that it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah. We get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Woo. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tires squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. To the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Not big on third gens myself, but thing is clean though.
Spence, a 690 dial in left side, Colby Shockley right side on a 1059. Reaction time for Shockley in a slow 16. And Colby Shockley will claim it with nearly 2.5 second mark. Collins breaks out on an 8:20. He'll dial in a 770. Jared Anderson's going to come through on a 680. And Nick Morris with a .124 margin of victory. With Dalton McGuire on a 915 dial in. First drive, it'll be a win for Callan Edwards, 432 margin of victory. Will advance on a 788-1. 2.3 second advantage at the strike. Dustin Cantor at a 770 dial in on the right side. Damon Norman left side, a 750. Cantor goes red by point. Oh,